Okay, boys and girls, welcome back to part two. So, for part one, we looked at what you call a phylogenetic relay diagram. So, Sati, for instance, we have a common ancestor, esibiza ukuthi algae, L-A-G-A-E, algae, common ancestor. So the first question that we are going to ask at this point, ingabe le plant inawo yini ama vascular tissues, inayo yini xylem, inayo yini phloem? If the answer is no, then lapho khuluma ngama bryophytes. Sawachaza ama bryophytes i-moss plant ukuthi they are thallus, awanawo ama roots, awanawo ama stems, awanawo ama leaf. I-reproduction yakhona depend emanzini so that sperm can swim from a male to the egg cell female. So sathi-ke i-generation that is dominant here, it is a generation gametophyte. If the answer is yes, then it's ama-vascular parts. But nala sifike sibuze umbuzo uma sekule point ukuthi ngabe iplant yakho iproducer ama-seeds noma cha. If the answer is no, you have your seedless anama-seeds vascular plants esiwabiza ngokuthi ama-pteridophytes. Engifuneka siwabuke in this session. We're going to look at pteridophytes. Asambe. All right, so ama pteridophytes. This is a phylum noma division that includes all ferns, and most ferns they require a warm, damp, and shady habitat. Meaning this environment ayibe manzi. Remember, amanzi wadinga ukuze sperm sizoswima from the male organ siyoreacha i-egg cell oyithola in the female organ of the plant. So on the images we have examples of ferns, more especially this one. So kunalama structures are yellowish if you look closely. So abizo ukuthi sorry as in S-O-R-I, sorry wesizulu. So ama-sorry ngaphakathi anama-spores aye avuleke ubese leso spore uma sesingena mhlambe sesiba implanted emhlabathini bese ke khula enye i-pteridophyte. Okay, so if we look at ama-pteridophytes, ama-characteristics akhona, siyaqala ke manje to have true roots, stems and leaves. Uma-bryophytes, thallus, awanama roots, awanama leaves, awanama stems. But uma-pteridophytes, you have true leaves, true stems and true roots. They have i-waxy cuticle. Remember waxy cuticle ile oyithola kwi-leaf yakho, ne? Eyenza ukuthi ngisho noma kushisa i-plant ingaluzi amanzi amaningi. Great hands know, like you said, i-waxy cuticle prevents noma reduces the water loss kuma-plants. So ama-stems ale plant bafethu, I so wish that I was able to attach a diagram of the actual plant. Uyibone even i-stem sakhona ukuthi la kwi-stem sikhula horizontal. Into horizontal ke into ehamba njengalwa line, that is a horizontal line. Was vertical usuka upwards ushona phansi noma downwards ushona phezulu. So igama le-stem ke silibiza ngokuthi i-rhizome. Remember kuma-bryophytes nama-rhizomes. Kwi-pteridophytes we have rhizomes. So they both reproduce sexually, depends on water, siyazi amanzi, for your sperm to swim from the male organ to the egg cell in the female organ. And they also reproduce asexually, meaning awudingi sperm and egg cell. Leya sori yakho iyavuleka kuphume spore which gets implanted and implant yakho ikhule once more. The dominant generation in this part, it is the sporophyte generation ngoba iwona amaningi ama-sporophyte generation, while ama-spores atholakala in the sporangia esishilo ukuthi arranged kwi-sori under the leaf. Ngicela ukumuva-ke to the next slide. So I want you to pause this video, copy the table, fill in the missing blanks. Pause the video, ubhale, then I will come and besizoyidlala i-video, then I share the answers with you after you have written. Do this. I know you might be lazy or ufuna ukuyenza manje mhlawumbe uri-late, but please do it for your own good. Alright, let's compare ama-bryophytes athi suqede ukubhala and pteridophytes. Siyazi ukuthi ama-bryophytes, they have an absence of root stems and leaves, they are thallus plants, while ama-pteridophytes, there is a presence. In bryophytes, masikhuluma ngama-conducting tissues, your vascular tissues conduct amanzi. They are absent kuma-bryophytes. Ngaze ngathi i-bryophyte, it cannot grow tall, ayikwazi ukukhula ibe yinde ngoba ayinayo i-transport system, which is your vascular tissues. While kuma-pteridophytes, ngoba sinawo ama-roots, sinawo ama-stems, sinawo ama-leaves, therefore vascular tissues or conducting tissues, they are present. Generation that is dominant, bryophytes, gametophyte. Then the rest of the plants, it's sporophyte. Both of them, they depend on water for the sperm to swim from the male organ to the egg cell in the female organ. Okay, so we are looking now, number 2, in the third phylum. So khumbula umbuzo siwubuze kuqala, akhona yini ama-vascular tissues? Sathi uma engekho, it's bryophytes. Sathi uma ekhona siyamuva sibuze umbuzo wesibili ukuthi akhona yini ama-seeds? Sathi uma engekho ama-seeds, sinama-pteridophytes, which is your ferns. Uma ekhona-ke ama-seeds, sesibuza enye question yesi-4 and the last one ukuthi ingabe leyo seed i-naked yini or leyo seed uyithola kwi-fruit ngoba kukhona ama-plants bafethu, just like i-plant isihlahla se-aphula, ama-seeds uwathola phakathi kwi-aphula, orange phakathi, mango, the seed is found within. So leyo seed ke siye sithi i-enclosed. Enclosed is E-N-C-L-O-S-E-D, enclosed in a fruit, while amanye they are naked seeds, N-A-K-E-D, naked seeds. So ama-gymnosperms ke bafethu, this is a division noma i-phylum eproducer ama-seeds kube ngazuthi ama-cones. For instance, if you look at your cycad, lokho ku-oranges, those are cones. So inama-seeds, and kuthiwa these seeds are naked ngoba awekho kwi-fruit, they are just bare, open. Even if you look at your pine tree, lokho okubonayo okulengayo laphana oku-brownish, nakho that is a cone. It grows with ama-naked seeds. So gymnosperms, this is a division yama-plant producer ama-seeds that are naked. So asibuke ama-characteristics gymnosperm. Okay, bafethu, from from your diagram le ye-phylogenetic tree, any change enzakalayo uyayi-add kwi-plant endlayo. For instance, it was only ama-bryophytes angenawo ama-true stems and leaves and roots. So all the rest of the tree plants, pteridophytes, gymnosperms naleyo yokugcina soils endosperm, wonke anama-true roots, anama-stems, anama-leaves. So also sinama-vascular tissues ngoba isihlahla lesi, it must absorb water from the soil, i-transporte upwards kuze kuyofika kuma-leaves. So you need xylem, you need phloem, hence we are saying vascular tissues are present. Nayo-ke inayo i-cuticle reducer water loss through evaporation. Ama-seeds are present, but tell ama-seeds they are naked seeds. Ngoba futhi manje sinama-seeds, asisekho manje sperm esizoswima, cha. Ngoba sinama-seeds, i-sexual reproduction does not depend on water. If you are writing notes, you should note that one. It does not depend on water. But now it depends on wind. Why wind? Sinama-spores bafethu ayi-male. Ama-spores-ke, it's more like tiny particles powder in a way. So sithi-ke lama-male spores apheshethwa umoya noma ahamba ngomoya with i-pollen grain are carried to the female spore. So kusuka i-male spore ihambe ngomoya iphaphatheke noma iphephetheke iziyofika kwi-female spore. Konke lokhu kwenzeka by wind. So i-sporophyte generation nalana bafethu, it's dominant. Ngoba uyabona ukuthi kuthiwa kukhulunywa about male spores and female spores. So bafethu, I will sum it up. I will stop here for today. Ngiyacela-ke go through your notes, summarize, dweba itafula lakho. Sesenze ama-plants awu-three groups. Wacomparishe on the presence or the absence of roots, absence or presence of vascular tissues. Are the seeds present? Do they depend on water for reproduction? Which generation is dominant? So nje ube ne-summary ye-table ozothi ngisho ufunde ekhaya kube lula ukuyikrema noma ukuyi-understanda much better when it is simplified than written in a note form. Inkosi-ke mayikubusise, till we meet again.